Today I'll be showing all of my fidgets because I have a tripod. Ooh, sunlight. Okay, let me get my. Oh, this is heavy. Ugh. My fidget drawer. Oh. Ooh, look at that. That is sick. That's a lot. Let's start off with one of my favorites. Ooh, ASMR. Why, hello there. What are you doing here on this fine day? Are you just chilling? Well, let's continue with my fidgets. So let me get out some of my stress balls. Oh, got one. Oops. Hold on a sec. Okay, got it. My needle is my favorite. It's so satisfying. It's stretchy, it's squishy, it's so easy to squish. It's actually kind of my favorite. Kind of. Now I have my soccer ball squish ball. I got this a long time ago. Look at the paint's coming off. I got this an even longer time ago. Yeah. I don't know what's inside. I think it's just clay. Now let's get out some poppets. Let's get, oh my God. Can you please get out of the way? Please. Thank you. Now let's get out my poppets. I have 4 poppets. They're like my favorite. So I got this tie-dye one. It's really small bubbles. See, it's right there. The bubbles are really small, but really satisfying to pop. I can't believe if anyone has watched all the way through here. And if you haven't hit that like button, I'm not going to be rude and say you have to. You can hit the dislike button if you want. You don't have to if you don't want to. But this is one of my favorite poppets. I can't believe you made this far in the video, which is really nice of you. Now we have another tie-dye one. It's a cupcake. The bubbles are really smooth and they're just big enough for my fingers. It's really good feeling. Now I have this glow-in-the-dark one. It's a nice one. It's really nice. And I have another glow-in-the-dark one. It's a yellow heart pop. I'm going to try and make this video quick, because I don't want to have to waste your time. Now, I got this funny little, like, unicorn. Ugh. It's weird derp face. It's just kind of weird. With its weird little derpy face. What? Okay, I'll make a video for the rest of my fidgets, but here's a quick look at them.